Hello, another AQA Physics A-level question on the mechanics topic. Choose a different question by clicking on the information card up there. But if you want to do this question, I suggest you pause the video now. If you've got the answer C, well done. Okay, so a uniform piece of card in the shape of a letter L is suspended freely from a horizontal pin, so the pin must be at position A. A plumb line is also suspended from the pin. Well, a plumb line is just a piece of string with a weight at the end. It'll always hang vertically downwards. The diagram shows the card in its equilibrium position. If it's in equilibrium, it means it's not swinging any longer. It means the clockwise moments are equal to the anti-clockwise moments. What is the position of the centre of mass of the piece of card? Well, the centre, if you allow something to swing freely and once it stops swinging, the centre of mass will lie on a vertical point down from the pivot point. So it could be C or D. It most definitely couldn't be B. It has to lie on that pivot, on the plumb line, vertical line downwards. So let's imagine now, let's put a hole where B is, and we'll hang that letter L from B. And I think you would say that it would hang something like that. So we're hanging it from B. Point A is up here. Point D is perhaps here, and C is around about here. Okay, let's hang a plumb line down, and the plumb line should hang vertically downwards. So C is roughly, well, it is vertically below B. If I'd drawn it perfectly, it would be vertically below B, and D and A are definitely not. So C is the only point that is in a vertical position beneath those two pivot points. Okay, if you found this video useful, please hit that subscribe button, share with friends, hit the like button, and thank you for watching.